Alright, now we're gonna work on question 21. Okay, so let's read the information together. So interest rate is 5.4% per year. Find the value at time t10 for perpetual stream of $3,800 payment that begin at time 20. So this question doesn't do a good job explaining, but I assume that t is year. Okay, so let's draw the timeline here. So what we need to find is basically PV10 equal to what? Okay, so this is how the timeline looks like. The payment start at t equal to 20, so 3,800 start here, and let's go to infinity because it's perpetuity. And this is where we need to find the present value of all this stream of cash flow. So how can you find the answer for this question? So the way that you can do it is just basically you discount every single cash flow to t equal to 19. So find the lump sum of all payment from year 20 to infinity as a present value at time 19. So in order to do this, this is step 1. Okay, so let's go to step 1 here. Step 1. So n will be what? Because it just go from time 20 to infinity, so n will be very high number. You can put any number, has to be very high. Okay, IY will be 5.4, and again it's already per year, so we're good to go. PV, that's what we need to compute. PMT is 3,800. FV is 0, because we don't see any ending here and no single amount that happened at the end of timeline, so that means FV is 0. So you compute for PV, which this is how much I got, 70370.37. 70370.37. Okay, so this is what we got. 370.37, and then this is the time that we need to find the present value. So from this point to this point, you can see that there is 0 payment. Okay, and the only cash flow that we have here is just this piece. Okay, so this is basically FV for the second FV for step 2. Okay, so in step 2 we will put the lump sum that we got from first step calculation as FV. Payment is 0, and we're gonna compute for PV. IY will be 5.4. Again, be careful when you compute here, because we're gonna compute PV at time 10. So count from 11 to 19, how many times? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that is 9, period. Okay. So you compute for PV with this information. So 9N 5.4 IY 0 PMT 7037.37 is if we compute for PV. So we got 43835.34. So 43835.34. 43835.34. Alright, so this is how to solve for question 21.